January 22 2025, going to, of course, Orlando, Florida para sa OAX Original or Orlando Art Exhibit. Okay, that's it. So later guys.
Your lunch. Curry. Curry. Vamos a lunch, no? With sake. Touchdown, Orlando, Florida. Waiting for the aircraft. Almost 12. Malamig dito. Pusok. Kita mo na. Taon na.
Black Doves with Keira Knightley.
Dahil sa wala pa kami room, kakain muna kami sa Wendy's. Ayan o, lamig na lamig si JP o. Lapit na po. Ayan, Wendy's. Ilang hakbang na lang. Pasok tayo sa Wendy's dito sa Orlando, Florida. Hanggang 10:30 lang ang breakfast dito.
Oh, really? Yeah. Super? No problem.
And ayun, busog na busog kami mga kaibigan, of course with my bro
Grabe.
JP. Ang
Dito.
sarap, diba? Ay guys, grabe ng oras na ngayon, mga 11:30 na. Nasa hotel na kami. At ito marami pang gagawin para bukas. Ayan, lamesa, art materials. Marami pang gagawin. Habang si JP ay napakasarap ng buhay. Ayun o, sana oil. So kailan tapusin ito lahat para bukas. At ito ang mga ibang para sa OAX. Alright? 9x12 yan. Ito naman 11x17. Ayan o. Alright? So wish me luck guys na matapos to. Kakayanin ko ba? Abangan na susunod na kabanata. Love you. See you guys. Nagluloko na ako. Sobrang lamig. Samahan namin sa McDo CRV. Habang hawak ang Starbucks para hindi lamigin. Okay, it's 7 something here in Orlando at McDo. Dito kami, along with the all-star cast, of course. Action star ng Mission Impossible. 10 na ba? Okay. Sino? Tayo lahat. Sino si Tom Cruise sa atin? Sino si Tom Cruise?
Tambutso ng cruiser.
Si Harvey, oh.
Tambutso ng cruiser.
Okay. Action star eh. Rock and roll. And it's 6:20 in the morning. Starbucks muna kami with JP and of course the main man himself,
Impossible Burger.
Ayun o. Ayan na, papunta naman sa Starbucks. I think it's 24 hours. Starbucks, we're here. You want some souvenirs? Here we go. Orlando Cup, yes. Brought to you by Starbucks. Thank you. Okay, pampainit. Review lang guys, January 8, 2007 nagsimula ang Starbucks sa Orlando. Can you imagine that? 2007. And of course, this is my breakfast. Diet lang tayo. Hindi mag-rice in 7 days. That's a challenge. Okay guys, ito yung tour bus namin. Yung tour bus namin guys. Medyo maliit nga lang. Masyadong maliit ang tour bus namin. Yeah, bro, kasama ko isang member of course. No, he's the lead vocalist of course. Yan. JB Kison, rock and roll to, panoorin
Rock and roll.
Follow him also sa lahat ng SOCMED.
Yan.
What can you say, my brother?
Well, una-una malamig. Talagang yung mga pisngi namin dito ni Brother Jim talagang yung mga pores ba nagdidikitan.
Yes.
Nagiging porcelain na unti-unti
Iba ka talaga.
aming mga skin.
Wait muna, sabihin mo yung driver, mamaya tayo alis.
And syempre ito ang aming tour. Saan tayo mag-tour? Marami tayo mag-tour.
Ano first natin sa Vegas?
Vegas. Kami yung papalit kay Elvis doon. So abangan nyo kami.
Alright.
Kami yung papalit.
Iba guys, okay. See you.
Viva Las Vegas.
Viva! Round roll!
Dapat kita. Tapos ang gagalaw lang.
No breakfast. No breakfast.
This is it. One of the best. This amazing guy has been in the business for so long and is coming back to play and to prove to the world that this is the moment of silence. Ooh.
Uy, anong oras na pala? 7:30 na, kailan magising? Ayun, natulog ako na naka-sombrero at naka-jacket para ayun na lang agad. Today is the day. Orlando Art Expo 2025. Let's go! Ayan, prepare mga gamit. Ayan na. Okay, here we go. Ang maleta, ito na rin. Talagyan ng mga artworks. Ayan, poster and stickers. Si JP, handang-handaan na rin. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Ang nagturo sa akin, vlog. Don't forget the ID. They're quite excited. Boys, bye-bye guys. Alright. Up, sandali muna. Sinelas pa.
So nice.
Dude, this Matt man.
Fire.
This Matt thing.
Love it.
Wait, what did they tell you?
What?
What did they tell you to do, what to do?
Yeah, he told me to make it the best man
No,
thing.
like the style.
I understand.
That's beautiful. Jim, like,
What's your name?
Noel.
No, I'll be like.
Call me Stingray.
I'll be like the piece.
I love it, dude. This is awesome. Oh, that's so great, man. Thank you so much.
Oh, okay, I forgot to sign. How you like it, man?
Nice.
I like how?
Very nice.
You like it? Thank God. All right. You love it?
I absolutely love it.
That could be a couple.
More.
Thank you so much. I'm happy that you love it.
All right, it's a video.
oh, I love it. I love this. This came out
I
great.
love it. Yeah.
Thank
There you go. He's happy. He's really happy.
Sa para pang-share lang sa mga mag-anak.
Oo, ganun. Eto, breakfast namin kanina. Kumain kami nito ni Bro JP!
Tuli Jew.
Tuli Jew up. Huwag magjo-joke ng tuli. Okay. Sabi ko. Sabi ko. Ayan ang hotel namin. Double 3.
Hilton yan, Hilton.
Hilton, of course. Tinanong ko si Jiggy kung bakit double 3. Hindi niya rin alam. I-google muna namin. Ang tapat niya na ay Universal sa kabila. Tama ba? Kasi ito ang entrance. And yung breakfast namin kanina, yun na yun. We are trying to be Americanized.
Yan.
Mahirap mag-video kanina kasi kahapon napaka-busy. So ngayon mamaya uli. Okay guys? And relatives and friends. See you next. Countryman. Itaas sa mga baso. Here we go. Kami dalawa ni JP ngayon kasi nanonood sa yung pinapanood ko sa ano.
Good morning.
Kakain lang kami rito ng ito breakfast namin. Puro bread. Para kami nasa French bakery. Tuli Jew. Saan tayo bro?
Tuli Jew.
Oh, diba? Tinuli si Jew, tinuli. Here we go. Go ka na bro. Hope you will smile. Here's Turok. Alright, you like it?
That is fantastic.
Alright.
Thanks, Jim. This is...
Oh, okay, you love it? Alright, here we go. Take a picture. Here we go. Reveal.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Okay. And we have to take a picture also. Moon night for you, my friend.
Alright, brother.
Alright.
Love it.
Nasasabi ni JP walang vlog pero manggugulo ako. Alam niyo magkano kabait si Manix. Busy pero pwede siya makipag-usap sa amin. Ano mga?
Ay, wag niyo muna
See, kinausap pa rin tayo. Napakabait na ito. Yan, no? Pag na-reincarnate ako, gusto maging Manix na rin. Change my name to
pero idol ko
Janix.
si James, si Jim ang idol ko forever. Dati pa.
Ako rot. O, diba? Kanina ang
dami yung apat na dapat kagawin.
ang ginulo natin kanina si Manix. Ngayon si Manix naman ang nanggugulo. Ang nanggugulo siya kanino? Ay Harvey. Kanyang kami rito. Sinong guguluhin namin talaga?
Punas-punasan natin yung mga pawis niya.